Gaming is huge. The industry is on fire. The number of gamers, esports athletes, creators, and broadcasters engaged in new shared experiences is exploding. With 3 billion gamers, no one is asking if gaming is growing. The question is, how big will it get? And you can start by looking at Generation Z. By most measures, it's the largest generation ever. When surveyed, 80% of Gen Z are gamers, and gaming is their favorite activity, twice as high as music, watching TV, movies, or social media. Gen Alpha is up next. The 2022 Game Developer Conference annual survey once again ranked PC as the most important platform for developers. Looking at the openness and technology leadership of the PC ecosystem, and the fact that we are adding 50 million to our ranks every year, we couldn't agree more. And GeForce is a lot more than playing games. We estimate 80 million creators and broadcasters who are designing, building, and sharing their work. There are now 24 million Twitch channels, doubling in the past 2 years. Last year, there was $29 billion in YouTube ad revenue, twice that of 2019. Minecraft, the ultimate game fusing playing and creating, reached 140 million monthly active users in 2021, growing 1.5 times over 2 years. And Minecraft content has been viewed over 1 trillion times. 3D creators are the construction workers of virtual worlds. Blender is the tool of choice among this growing class of 3D casual and pro creators, with 14 million downloads, 1.5 times more than 2019. Over the past 25 years, we have dedicated ourselves to building the best platform for gamers and creators. It is enjoyed by hundreds of millions of gamers on desktops, laptops, consoles, and streaming from the cloud. At the heart of our platform is our GPU and a history of revolutionary architectures, each delivering new innovations for developers to create amazing games and creators to do their best work. Our new GPUs are programmable. Hobbyists and professionals regularly discover new applications for them, and crypto mining is one example. On top of our hardware comes a massive investment in software. Game-ready drivers is our commitment to the best possible gaming experience. Whether on PC or in the cloud, we will release an optimized driver with every major game to provide gamers maximum performance and stability. And we have now extended this commitment to creators with our studio driver. This investment also delivers new technologies like DLSS, Reflex, Max-Q, and NVIDIA Broadcast, along with SDKs to enable a broad ecosystem. Our newest architecture, NVIDIA RTX, reinvented graphics, featuring real-time ray tracing and DLSS AI image upscaling. Game developers, creator ISVs, even other GPU suppliers have gotten on board. For esports athletes, we introduced Reflex, removing latency between the game and the gamers. Over 20 million gamers are competing on with Reflex on each month. There are now over 250 RTX accelerated games and applications. And this comes at a time of strong gaming growth. The pandemic introduced millions more to PC gaming, and we expect they are here to stay. Valve continues to highlight gaming momentum. Last year, there were 30 million more gamers buying games on Steam. And the number of engaged, concurrent gamers on Steam has more than doubled in 5 years. This past weekend set yet another record. The Epic Games Store has shown similar strength, adding almost 100 million users in just 2 years. All of this and more has led to record results in our gaming GPU business. And with about 30% of our installed base on RTX, there are a lot more gamers yet to upgrade. The opportunity grows when considering all the gamers on Steam and elsewhere who are not yet on GeForce GPUs. And one more thing I'd like to share. Looking into the millions of desktop GeForce gamers who we know have upgraded their GPU to a 30 series, they are buying up. The GPU is offering more value than ever. Based on our data, they are spending $300 more than they paid for the graphics card they replaced. Now let's look at gaming laptops, the fastest growing PC category, fueled by gamers, creators, and students looking to work and play from anywhere. This year, we introduced our 4th generation Max-Q. Working with OEMs and CPU manufacturers, we use AI to instantly optimize the CPU and GPU for every workload. These are our thinnest and lightest laptops ever. This year, we have announced 170 new RTX 30 series laptops starting at just $799. Our gaming laptop business continues to deliver record growth, revenue units, and ASP. And GeForce gaming GPUs are driving the overall consumer laptop market, approaching 25% attach with plenty of room to grow. We estimate there are over 80 million creators and broadcasters who are fueling a creator economy in excess of $100 billion. As more careers are built around content creation, their tools become more important. We built NVIDIA Studio for these creators. NVIDIA Studio starts with RTX GPUs powering a range of laptops tailored to the needs of creators. On top of that is our Studio software stack that includes specialized drivers and dozens of SDKs, which accelerate over 200 of the industry's top creative applications. This includes Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, OBS, the #1 broadcast app, and Blender, the #1 3D design app. And there is a strong connection between gaming and creating. Today, a quarter of GeForce gamers are also creating or broadcasting. And they value performance, investing more in graphics than other gamers. There are also creators and broadcasters expanding the reach of our platform, which likely well extends beyond those who share their profile. RTX AI is making creation more approachable for everyone. It is easier than ever to create like a pro. Like Notch AI Pose Estimation, you can animate a 3D character or avatar using your body motions in a webcam. Or Adobe Substance that converts a photo into a 3D texture you can add to any design. NVIDIA Canvas is our app that lets you draw a simplistic image and use AI to create a photorealistic picture. And of course, NVIDIA Broadcast, powered by Maxine, our popular application that uses AI to enhance your video streaming with features like background and noise removal. With billions of devices unable to play the latest games and apps, it's no surprise that cloud gaming is projected to grow to over 100 million users in 2024. Our cloud gaming strategy is to offer an RTX gaming PC in the cloud through our own GeForce Now service and expand the reach globally through alliance partners and third parties. GeForce Now offers user access to our most advanced RTX gaming GPUs starting at $999 a month. And like on PC, we want to offer a full stack of our latest gaming GPUs, so we recently announced an RTX 3080 tier for $1999 a month. GeForce Now opens the PC gaming ecosystem to any client, including Android and iOS phones, an RTX gaming rig in your pocket. There are over 1,200 games onboarded from Steam, Epic Games Store, Ubisoft Connect, and others. And we are extending our footprint through alliance partners like SoftBank, LG U+, and Taiwan Mobile, who operate the service regionally and help offer GFN to over 80 countries worldwide. Several marketing partners also feature GFN in their products and services, including LG, Samsung, and AT&T. Finally, we are offering RTX Graphics, our game-ready software stack and cloud gaming expertise to third-party gaming services like Tencent Game Matrix. And gaming in the cloud is not just for playing games. As announced today, with GFN, we will have an expanded opportunity to offer Omniverse running on RTX to every creator on every client. Looking forward, the opportunity for gaming and graphics is almost endless. There are a ton of headlines about a multiverse, billions of dollars of real estate, NFTs, and crypto economies, but one thing is very obvious. Gaming is leading us there, and creators will build it. And we are just at the beginning. The graphics required to deliver a cinematic VR experience in a massive, multiplayer, physically accurate world will likely require 3 to 4 orders of magnitude more than the performance of our highest-end GPUs. Plus continuing advancements in algorithms for rendering, physics, AI, and animation. There are 3 billion gamers and creators, and it's growing. We believe, over time, a quarter of them will spend over $100 a year for high-performance GPUs in desktop, laptop, cloud, or console. In total, this translates to a $100 billion opportunity. The fundamental strength of gaming has never been stronger. I will now turn it over to our CFO, Colette Kress.